Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? What's going on this time? Hedera Hashgraph prices pumps up from last 3 days, not just from last 3 days. If we check out last 24 hours, so in last 4 hour my friend, 4.06% Hedera Hashgraph price is increasing. Definitely, it's really great news, my friend, for all Hedera Hashgraph holders, because after a very long time, Hedera Hashgraph is pumps up. So I think definitely that's really great news for all Hedera Hashgraph. Let's check out, my friends, the more details of Hedera Hashgraph to what's going on this time and what we will need to do, my friends, to get a profit. So this time, as you can see, the change occurring, first of all, so my friend, the change occurring is very good now. The change occurring last 1 hour is 0.28%. You can see it increase, and last one day the price increased 4.06%. 7 days 8.77%, they will get a profit. So definitely that's really great news, my friend, from all holders. And if we check out the rank, the market caps, the 24 hours, so this is also increased now. You can see here, my friend, the price is 0.38 USD dollar. Definitely the price is also increasing. So my friends, everybody try to understand holder, please. To if a price will pumps up, that's mean, my friends, to holder are starting buying, investing more and more. And when a holder are starting investing, then remember, my friends, to every coin will completely go to the moon. All right, so this time if we check out, my friends, the chart results, so the chart result is clearly show you, my friends, my prediction is also clearly show you to the price will increasing. And remember, to after a dump, every coin will pumps. So therefore, I hope, my friends, to the price will more and more increasing. All right, guys, so please, holders, hold down and don't starting selling. Remember, to win a coin will starting pumping up. Then the CEO, my friend, also tell us to in upcoming time the really huge explosion is coming soon. 15% they will get a profit, my friends, but this time you can see just only in last 24 hour, I think 2% they will get a profit. So wait for a huge pump, my friend. I hope in a huge explosion is coming soon and they will give you a double profit. So thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.